What did you think of that lecture?
Oh, the lecture. Well, I really enjoyed the lecture. In fact, I think it's very interesting learning about the birds and the bees.
Well, I think you'll like this. Read here.
Whoa. Listen, everyone. And that's why birds do it, bees do it, even educated fleas do it. Let's do it.
Let's fall in love.
In Spain, the best upper sex do it. Lithuanians, and let's do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love.
The Dutch in old Amsterdam do it. Not to mention the Finns. Folks in Siam do it. Think of Siamese twins.
Some Argentines without means do it. People say in Boston even beans do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love.
Electric heels, I might add to it. Though it shocks my dough. Why ask if shad do it? Fingertip shad roll.
In shallow shoals, English souls do it. Goldfish in the privacy of bowls do it. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. Can you dance?
I'd love to.
Lovely, just like Fred Astaire.
No.